قالت لي شوف رانا نعطيك ديزاين باش بغيتي نخدمها انا
Hello, my YouTubers.
هذا هو راه كنبقاو نخدموا
Yes.
ديزاين باش تكون بلا مشاكل.
Just subscribe to my YouTube as usual. And today I'm showing you about the transportation in Qatar. I'm in the metro.
ها
Yeah, as you can
ما
see,
خصكش تكمل تواصل.
it's now it's in underground. I'm heading up to Azizia.
شهور انا اللي سمعت بالقناه ولكن من سولت الدري اخرى واحد الدري اخرى عاوتاني قالت لي هي لا راه مشات دابا
This is the same metro that we are used in the FIFA 2010, 2022.
شوف انت فهمتي سير شوف السوق على راس المدير انت انا ما قبلوش راه جيب فيديو بزاف
so
ديال
the-
المعلومات في راسك
It's traveling. Let me
وانت
say.
غتحضر لك الحفله ديال ولاد القحاق غتعطي علينا بالنسبه لي غتكون حامضه
We are in the next
This
stage.
station is Bin Mahmoud.
مشيت انا والبارح انا وشارون وكاترين وهذيك جوليان جبنا هذوك القلاوي اللي غادي يكون كنت انا غادي وقالت لي شارون انا
You can
وصلت
see
لها
this is
قلت لي يلاه يلاه نمشي معانا
the station is Bin Hamoud.
جابوا كاع هذاك القلاوي اللي غادي
Okay, so
يجيبوا
just show you how many stations we highlighted. In the background, I see. I don't know if you can hear me, but someone calling. That's why maybe the interruption is here.
ها
Okay, yeah.
شيشه جيب حبات ما رانا نقول شارون جيب لنا شيشه
Sound clear.
Yeah, there. This is the metro. Actually, it's closing.
فهمتي غتجي عندنا شارون 6 نقول لها ميشا جيب لنا الشيشه
Remaining with around how many stations?
This
This is
train
the
is for Al-Aziziyya. The next
station is.
نقول شارون
I'm heading to Azizia, as you can see. I'm going in Al Bin Ahmed, heading to Saif, to Azizia. So we just continue with the journey. The train is it's automatic. It's a self-driven autopilot. The next station on your right, on your left. As you
This
can see,
station is Asset.
it's called Asset. As you can see. Okay, it's a quiet place. Now, this is the last metro. Okay, my dear friends, as you can see now, we are about to depart. We are about to
Stand
depart.
clear.
The safety, about the safety, which I'm always concerned about the safety, is I'll say again, it's around 99
This train is for
5%.
Al-Aziziyya. The next
So I cannot give
station
100.
is Juhan. Passengers are reminded
As
not to
usual.
leave their belongings unattended.
Okay, then we'll go back up to there. But as you can see, my time now is around 12:17 a.m. It's 12:17 a.m. For this metro is fully underground up to the end of my station, which is Azizia. This is our next station.
This station is Juhan.
As you can see, some people are writing. Okay.
Doors closing. Stand clear.
جاري غلق الأبواب. اترك مسافة كافية.
This train
The
is
train
for
is moving.
Al Azizia. The
As you
next
can hear, I'm
station
heading
is
to Azizia.
Sudan. Passengers are reminded not to leave their belongings unattended.
هذا القطار متجه إلى العزيزية. المحطة التالية هي السودان. يجب على ركاب عدم ترك امتعتهم بدون عقابة.
As you can see, the speed is around 80 kilometers per hour. Yeah, it's good for the traffic. I can beat the traffic by, if I was driving, I could be late by, let's say, we'll check by the time when I alight at Azizia. Let's head on now. By the way, my fans, this year in Qatar we are hosting FIFA Asian Cup. It will be hosted on October, and we have Formula One in Lusail. Formula One in Lusail. It will be hosted by Qatar.
This
So
station is
book
the
your tickets
Sudan.
from now
هذه المحطة هي
to enjoy the venue and to have fun. Today I'm in transportation. Before, as we were checking out the hotels, all the hotels, the 5-star hotels and 4-star hotels, as you can remember, they're in good condition. Yeah, check, it's good. So my Europe fans, be prepared for
Doors
Formula
closing.
One
Stand clear.
in
جاري غلق الأبواب. اترك مسافة كافية.
October. It will be the end. It will be the end of October, so that time the weather will be now again be cool.
This train is for Al Azizia. The next
As now we are
station
heading
is
to Sama.
Al Wab. Passengers are reminded not to leave their belongings
As you can
unattended.
see, we are still in underground.
متجه إلى العزيزية.
Very fast.
التالية هي الوعد.
The metro is fast
QLM.
and it's very comfortable and it's very clean, and the security is 100% check, and yeah, and for the safety of the train is perfect. 24 hours is checked, and theft zero. The country is safe. So don't be worried. It's an Arab country, but it's very safe. Safer than some countries in Europe, some countries. Safer than safer than US, for sure. Some states in US, as you can know, as you all know, California, Illinois, they are not safe. Here is safe. No guns. Only licensed one.
This station is Al Wab. QLM.
هذه المحطة هي الوعد. QLM.
Okay, we'll continue with our video. is very quiet.
Doors closing.
And we
Stand
have
clear.
very few of them, not too much. Around around 10 to 15 passengers, because this is the last train.
This train is for Al Azizia. The
Now
next
the
station
next
is
station is where
Port
I'm
City.
alighting.
Passengers are reminded not to leave their belongings
So I'll be
unattended.
going to Villaggio. We check some items there. Then I'll call it a night. So we are about to reach the next station. As you can see, the lighting is clear, the pathway is good, and there we have the station now, slowing down.
This station is Port City.
Sport City. Sport City, for those who came for FIFA in World Cup, you can remember Sport City. We have one stadium and around two stadiums here. It's a stadium complex, so where most of the local teams and international teams, they do their training. For the league here, oh, I forgot to update you about the league. The league now is going on for
Doors
Qatar,
closing. Stand
and
clear.
as you know, I'm the fan of my fellow countryman Alunga. He
This
played
train is
for
for Al Azizia. The next station is Al Azizia. Passengers are reminded
and
not to
I'll
leave
be
their
going to the
belongings
stadium on the weekday as see how we change the station. As you can see, wow, it's shaking a bit. See, nicely slowing down, it's gaining, it's accelerating. The lighting is good.
This train terminates at Al Azizia.
It will terminate at Al Azizia. This is the last train. My last station is on my right.
This
As you can see,
station is Al Azizia.
this one is a beautiful one also. I'll show you a bit inside. Okay. So this is the train. I'll use the Adembo. I will use the okay, there it is. As you can see, I'm in basement 2, so I'll go way out. It is way out. -1. Let's go. As you can see, I'll show you right there. Here is It's the exit. I have my card here. So I'll take out my card and I swap to there. And I swap to there. Let me show you. This is my card. Let me show it. I'll swap it here. You can see now. As I'm going. I'm heading to Azizia Mall. I don't know which way it is. Let's check which way to the mall. Let me ask why. Excuse me, sir. Which way to the Villaggio? This way, thank you. Okay. I'm heading to Villaggio. Okay, so we'll use the escalator. As you can see. It's empty. No people now. Most of the people are driving. But this is the best means of transport. It's easy and convenience is cheap. I just paid only 2 Riyal. That is 2 Riyal only for the trip. If I use the Uber, I'll use around 25 Riyal to reach here. So as you can see, this is the exit. This is the exit, and I'll show you for tomorrow. No. As you can see, using this is the Aspire. Like this. This is the dustbin, which is well organized. There's bottles, there's cones, there's paper, there's food, and all this, you see, nice organization. So now I'll be heading to Villaggio. Maybe I'll take yes, bye. Kaisai? I'm going to, where do I go? I'll go to street 52. Right.
Right side.
Yeah.
New Sanaya.
Yeah. How much is it?
This one 30.
Sorry?
30.
30?
Yeah, 30. This one
So
New
much.
Sanaya.
This 52 or 55? Street 555? Street 555.
You have location.
Yes.
Let me check.
Okay. We have the cart here. Okay. This is 5-star hotel. This is Torch, the famous Torch. This one. I'm heading to my taxi guy. Okay, I'm heading with my taxi guy. Let me check and. Okay, I'm heading to the taxi. Okay. This one. Okay. Okay, this is the end of my video, my fans. Let's see you in the next video.